Hello guys, Mr. Kate again, and this video is going to cover what I'm really looking for in the networking chart, and it's fairly simplistic. You're just going to write out your schedule of classes over here where it says subject. So maybe you have biology in second period. So in second period, you type out biology, uh, my name, and you can just put in my last name, that's fine. My email. So if you don't know emails, it's normally, not always, but normally the first letter or first initial and last name of the teacher. If you don't know this, you can find it on PowerSchool. You can find it on lnhs.org and go to faculty and look up our emails there. So my email is gcate at avhsd.org. Okay, so gcate.avhsd.org. Now, what you're going to have to do is uh, find someone in the class who you can use as a contact. And this contact, you'll need to be able to get a hold of in case you've got questions. So maybe you can't get a hold of me, or I'm taking a little longer than you want. And like today, I had over 150 emails I was trying to get through. So maybe you want an instant answer, and your best bet would be to go straight to one of your peers and try to find out that way. So say you find peer XYZ, so you have XYZ, and he says that, oh sure, I'll be your contact. Just contact me through either calling me, and in that case you're gonna have to put in a number, but don't put a number in on the form. Just put I'm gonna call, uh, or I'm going to text, or uh, Instagram, or whatever. Okay. You could even put down I'm going to get through Google Classroom. All right. Now, if you do that with two people or more, you can pick up extra credit. So if you do all of this for all 6 classes, you get 100%. If you do all of this plus peer 2, peer 3, whatever, you can pick up extra credit for the assignment. Okay, hopefully that's cleared up a little confusion. If not, like always, I'll hear from you in class and or in my office hours right after school. Bye-bye.